So we got this road. We're going to start on Monday, Tuesday. We have actually what they call a tractor. We call it a bulldozer right up there. I'll show you in a minute. But even now, after 2 days of sun, and it looks, I was able to work this part with the backhoe. That's why it's all flat. Right here is just a mess. The backhoe can't even make it up this. So even with the lockers in, everything going, we just just start peeling out, turning sideways right here. It cannot make it up this steep hill. So it takes a bulldozer with track tires to be able to make it up here. So the bulldozer's 28,000 colones per hour for this one. Most of them are 35,000 colones per hour. I'll show you in a minute. But this guy, in 2 days, it's about the same cost as what a crew of workers will cost, but he can get a lot more work done. So we're going to have him. I worked all this with the backhoe and shoved it off to here to take down the mountain for the fence to make it all pretty and nice on both sides. So we're going to have him continue to tier the rest of it for the garden. So he's going to spread it all out to where it's all even so the workers can make the garden. It'll save them probably a week or two's time, just in a matter of hours of that bulldozer, putting it all down, making it all even. And he's going to scrape the entire top layer of this nasty material that's garbage. He's just going to scrape it all, put it into a pile down there at the bottom. We'll use the backhoe with the bucket to scoop it all, put it over the cliff over there to get rid of all that garbage material. So we're left with fresh material and a good road again. So we can lay the concrete on the road, lay the concrete drainages and tubes. And my dad's going to run a couple guys building this fence with the gates. Gate here, gate there, gate up there, and the driveway gate down there. So that's a big project we got next week. On Monday, Tuesday, the bulldozer is going to work all this, and a little bit more up there. I'll show you guys in a minute. And then on Wednesday, Thursday, it's going to take an 8-person crew to do the concrete from here to here to get it done in 2 days, because there's a problem with concrete on this road. This is a public road, so we're not really allowed to close it, but we're going to close it. We're going to put tubes across the road at the bottom and top and a sign saying wet concrete do not pass. So that way we don't have motorcycles and horses and all the other crap going across the fresh concrete. So it needs 4 to 5 days, he says, at least, before we drive a car on it to dry. So they're gonna pour the concrete on Wednesday, Thursday. It's gonna take 2 days. They're gonna do the outside layer first, because we're gonna put material all along the side of the road. It's gonna take 10 truckloads of material. So we're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, and have material spread all the way down for the full length, so it's easy. The material's right there where it needs to be. So the first day, Wednesday, it's gonna take 8 people to do a 1 meter strip all the way up this and finish it in 1 day. Next day, the second layer. And then from Thursday, we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We should be able to drive on it Monday and remove the barricades. So that's 8 people just for this one project. Plus we have many other projects going on at a time. We have the garden to try to get it done in 3 weeks so that Helen can plant whatever she wants to plant in the garden. The bathroom project over there, along with the rest of the concrete for that. All at the same time, the bodega is going to get built. It only takes a day or so for that, for the storages. And some more work on the road up here. They've begun working the road, trimming, edging, doing drainages. Drainages is most important to preserve everything. Without drainages, this is what we get. So all the work just goes in vain. 2 days of rain will ruin everything. So that's this project.